Hi there everyone, we're doing the wind energy prediction project and I'm just going to try and talk you through one of the notebooks that we've got. So let's zoom in like that. Okay, so we mostly used pandas to do the data analysis for this and the data cleaning at the beginning. So first thing that we do is we kind of load in all those CSVs. Now the data in this CSVs is split into forecast and measured stuff, so that's talking about wind forecasts and wind direction forecasts, but it also has measurement data in another CSV, which is the actual wind speed measured and the wind power measured. So yeah, we're sort of loading them in here. You'll notice that we try and combine the forecast data for dataset 3, which is the test dataset, with the measured data from dataset 2. That's because our model, as you'll see later, uses those measurements as part of its predictions, so we need both of that. Then we've got all these functions here. What these do is they basically break up our data frames, clean them up, remove nans, do some interpolation to cover cases where we've got missing data. And there's too much here to go over in the 3-minute video, but yes, there's good stuff in there. A lot of that's happening in these bits. And yeah, what we end up doing is we end up sort of offsetting our two sets of data. So we're trying to get a row where we've got the forecasted time matching the measurement at that same time. So let's say it was forecast for 9 a.m. on Thursday. We want to find out what the measurement was on 9 a.m. on Thursday. And so that's what this does, and it matches those up, which makes it a bit easier for us to then process that data later on. We turn that into an X and Y type stuff. And as part of that, turning it into X and Y, we get a window of those things. So we chose to take a window of 100 measurements. So that's 100 5-minute increments. So a 500-minute window, and we use that 500-minute window to then make predictions for the next 6.5 hours. So we used a very basic neural network in this example. One of the other notebooks we had, Diem tried using an LSTM, so you can see her results on that notebook. But we got some pretty good results with just this simple neural network. There's lots of things you could try here and change and improve on, but this worked fairly well. You can see that our validation loss and our standard loss were pretty similar, so we didn't feel a need to change that too much. We used the dataset 2 as our validation dataset and dataset 1 as training, and you can see our final results here. That graph is available on the main site. Cheers, bye.